So I've been camping my entire life, but this past year I started my solo camping journey, and I basically had to build my camping gear from scratch. And here are 4 things that have been game changers. I'll put links in the description box for each of these items. Okay, so the first game changer has been this 5-gallon jug. But what's game changing about it is this dispenser right here. And I'll show you a little bit more in detail. Okay, so what I love about this dispenser, besides the point that it, dispenses water, is that you can actually set it for certain amounts of water. And I use this function when I'm trying to filter my water to refill my water bottle. It's in milliliters, and you can just choose whichever one you want, and it will dispense that amount of water, and it is very accurate. This has just been awesome. So the next item that has been a super game changer is this beanie, but it has a light. Go ahead and turn this on. When you're camping in the fall, it gets dark fast. So this has been a game changer. So this beanie really lights up where you're working. If you're making dinner or if you're walking to the bathroom or whatever, it lights up wherever you're walking or working, and it's awesome. And it's actually kind of stylish too. Highly recommend. So it's perfect for when you're cold and you need to cover your ears and you need a light. Otherwise you could do a headlamp, but this is perfect. Another game changer has been these leather gloves. No more, poking at the fire with your bare hands or picking up firewood and getting splinters. These are super tough, super durable, and they fit me pretty good. So definitely recommend. And my last piece of game-changing gear is my JetBoil. Now I just got this as a birthday present from my dad, and this thing rocks. It boils water in like no time at all. Everything that you need is stored inside. A little gas container is in there. So what I love about this JetBoil is when the water is up to temp, this right here turns orange. Okay, here is a bonus. This is a little Puffy blanket. Keeps me super warm. It's not really big. It's like a throw size. And it's like a little puffy jacket, but in a blanket form. And it keeps me really warm, especially when I'm here by the fire, want to keep my toes warm, or at night when I'm sleeping. This has really helped keep me warm in 34-degree weather. So highly recommend. So if you found these gear recommendations helpful, I would really appreciate it if you'd like the video. And if you enjoy camping content, or if you enjoy Pacific Northwest content, consider subscribing. Anything that you can do will help the channel out and help me reach more people and help inspire people to get out there and explore their own backyards. So thanks for joining.